Hello, Blender enthusiasts. Today I thought we should explore the screw modifier in Blender. So as you can see, the screw modifier allows you to do things that are round. Alrighty, so let's review how it works. So I'm going to go to front view. I need a vertex, so I'm going to go to object mode and press Shift A, mesh. I'm going to use a single vert and add a single vert. I have extra meshes turned on. Add extra mesh object in my preferences. So that's why I get the single vertex. Okay, so now let's make sure that we're in a vertex mode and we can start extruding this vertex while snapping it to the grid. So let's maybe zoom a little bit closer. All right, so let's press E, hold Control. A default grid snapping setting is set to increment right here. We can maybe do this, absolute grid snap, turn that on. And what happens when you hold Control is it turns on the snap, which is currently deactivated. So it's a shortcut to turn it on and off real quick. So extrude, Control, and you can see that we need a screw modifier, and so that makes an object, revolves it. I used it before, so well, I guess I didn't remember the settings, but I'm going to turn on merge. So and that should merge the vertices at the poles of the geometry. So, and then I'm going to give it a subdivision surface modifier. All right, so, and it makes a nice jar, but I would like, well, actually a couple of things. So you can go and crank that up. So cool. And we also want to harden perhaps some of the lines. So let's go to edit mode and let's go to X-ray. And to harden those, we need to add more points. So I'm going to select those two vertices, right click, subdivide. So you can see that the silhouette reacting. So I'm now going to select again this single vertex that I made, press GG. That allows me to slide it along the edge, and you can see that now I can harden the bottom. So let's check it. Looks pretty good. So now if I want to crease this a little bit, so I can use the same technique, select those two and subdivide. So, all right, so that's actually harden it quite a bit. So I don't think I need to move it at all. So I like it. So maybe the mouth of the bottle. So again, selecting those two, subdividing, and so that's what it did. So and if I press GG, I can slide it, and by doing so, harden edge loops.